Looking for the perfect bed desk to boost comfort and productivity? Whether you want to work, study, or enjoy meals in bed, the right bed desk makes everything easier. We've rounded up the best options that combine convenience, sturdiness, and style for every need. Starting at number 1, SAIJI Leather Lap Desk. The SAIJI Leather Lap Desk. Laptop bed tray table is a versatile and portable desk designed for use on beds, couches, floors, or sofas. Measuring 20 cm on 11.8. It features a smooth PVC leather surface that helps prevent devices from slipping, along with adjustable legs and a tiltable surface that can be set to multiple heights and angles for comfortable working, reading, writing, or eating. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for both adults and kids. Additional features like a hidden mouse stopper and laptop clip enhance stability, while its sleek gray design adds a touch of style to any space. Overall, it's a practical solution for anyone looking to work or relax comfortably from bed or sofa. Number 2, Mind Reader Lap Desk. The Mind Reader Lap Desk Laptop Stand Bed Tray is a lightweight and portable table designed for comfortable use in bed, on the couch, or in a dorm. Made from durable plastic with foldable legs, it can be set up as a freestanding work surface or folded flat for easy storage and travel. Its compact size makes it ideal for laptops, books, tablets, or snacks, and the simple design allows you to switch quickly between working, reading, eating, or relaxing with your device. The integrated handles and easy-to-clean surface add convenience, while the sturdy build ensures reliable support for daily tasks. Number 3, SONGMICS Bamboo Laptop Desk. The SONGMICS Bamboo Laptop Desk, Serving Bed Tray. Breakfast table with tilting top and drawer is a sturdy, multi-purpose bed desk made from natural bamboo with a spacious surface that fits laptops up to about 15.6, books, meals, or crafts. It offers adjustable height and multiple tilt angles, helping you find a comfortable working or reading position, whether you're in bed, on the couch, or on the floor. A built-in drawer with a magnetic closure provides convenient storage for small essentials like pens, phones, or USB drives, while an anti-slip stopper helps keep your items secure on the tilting top. Pre-assembled and ready to use right out of the box, this versatile tray combines practicality with eco-friendly bamboo style for everyday tasks like working, eating, or relaxing. Number 4, HUANUO Adjustable TV Tray Table. The HUANUO Adjustable TV Tray Table is a versatile and practical folding table designed for comfortable use on beds, sofas, or floors, whether you're eating, working, watching TV, or using a laptop. It features 6 adjustable height settings and 3 tilt angles, allowing you to customize the table's height and angle for better comfort and posture depending on your activity. A stabilizing rod improves balance and durability, and the table folds flat for easy storage when not in use. Compact yet functional, this tray table is ideal for dorms, living rooms, or bedrooms, providing a mobile workstation or dinner surface wherever you need it. Number 5, LAPGEAR Home Office Lap Desk. The LAPGEAR Home Office Lap Desk in espresso wood grain is a comfortable and functional lap desk designed for working or relaxing anywhere without a traditional desk. It features a large 21.1 or x12 feet surface that fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, with a built-in device ledge that helps keep your laptop secure and promotes proper ventilation. The desk also includes an integrated mouse pad and a vertical phone slot to hold your smartphone while you work or watch videos. A dual bolster cushion base conforms to your lap for added comfort and airflow, while the lightweight design with a built-in carry handle makes it easy to move from room to room. Its stylish wood grain finish adds a sleek look to your home office, bedroom, or dorm setup.